What is this footage? Is this a footage from the unpublished alien invasion clips? Or it is from a terrifying underground experiment? No. It is actually the footage I shot from a 4K drone. I can't even show you the drone because it crashed like 1 minute after it took off. You can see from the footage, only 50 meters away from my controller and it crashed, loses control, and I can't find it because there are a lot of bushes and this drone is super tiny. It means after 1 minute I play with the drone, I lost it forever. I just cannot find it because there are a lot of plants, there are a lot of sand. I don't know, the drone is super tiny. I just cannot spot it after it crashed. I tried so hard to let the drone focus on me, which is a super easy task to do. But as you can see from the footage, it can barely see me. It can barely focus on me, but a second after it focused on me, the drone just turned his head around. Basically, it wants freedom. It doesn't want me to control it. It doesn't want me to give it a command. I told it to focus on me, but it didn't. It just fly away. No matter what I press up, I press down, I press forward and back. It just goes its way. I don't know. I mean, in my channel, I mainly focused on cheap tech, the tech like everybody can afford. But for me, I want the tech to be like cheap but somewhat usable, somewhat decent. It cannot just be cheap. It's a $30 drone, yes, but it is basically a toy. I just cannot believe the footage is so bad. It is like a footage from the horror film. That is the footage from the horror film, not from a drone I bought in 2021. I mean, it cannot be 4K, right? It cannot be 4K. I have to check. So I right-click the footage, goes to property, and oh yeah, it is 4K. What a surprise! So you are telling me it is 4K and look like this? The whole video is like watching a Japanese porn, but the difference is in Japanese porn, there's only a few area covered by the mosaics, right? The blur area, only a few. But in this freaking drone footage, every single part of the video is covered by the mosaics. I can barely spot myself. I can't recognize it because I shot the drone footage. I know that is me. But if you don't know, you don't even know the sex of that figure or that scene. 4K, huh? This is 4K. Man, the size is 4K. That is for sure. Oh my god. If you want to take a look of the drone, here's some footage that I shot before I took this drone outside, fly in the air and crashes. It looks decent. It looks like a real stuff, like two cameras, one in the front, one under the drone. The propeller protector around the propellers. It looks like a real drone. I don't even have the chance to test the camera under the drone and it just crashes and I cannot find it. But shame on me, I spent $30 on a toy. It feels so bad to give you guys a review like this. Look at the package. Wow, so good. But in the end, this is all left. A controller, which suck ass as well. So the lesson learned, the main takeaway here is, if you want to buy a drone and if you want to create something, if you are a content creator, don't spend money on the cheap drone. It is waste your money, waste your time, and waste your energy. It will destroy your mood. It will put you in a super sad situation like me right now. I just don't know what to say. That's it, and I hope you guys can enjoy this video. And mark my word, don't ever buy a cheap drone. Yeah, that's it. My name is Max Lee, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.